to one of our favorite cities in all Canada, St. John's, Newfoundland. And we want to show you some of the things that you shouldn't miss when you come and visit.
And one of those things is Signal Hill, which offers one of the best views of the harbor. This National Historic Site, which commemorates John Cabot's discovery of Newfoundland and where the first transatlantic wireless communication happened, is a great place to walk around while getting amazing views of the city and the Atlantic Ocean, as well as learning about the history of the harbor. And if you want to learn more about the geological importance of Newfoundland and Labrador, you can visit the Johnson Geo Centre located at the bottom of Signal Hill. One of the most iconic images of St. John's is the colorful row houses, and they're just one of the things that make walking around the downtown core one of the best things to do in the city. You'll find those and the self-guided Heritage Walk Loop, which takes you to some of the oldest streets in the city, such as Church Hill, Water Street, and George Street. This last one being one of the biggest party streets in all of Canada and one of the best places to become an honorary Newfoundlander.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Newfoundland.
Water Street, which used to be the main commercial street of all St. John's. Now it's a beautiful street full with historic buildings, restaurants, and souvenir shops. And if you continue to the end of Water Street, you will find Terry Fox Memorial, an inspiring Canadian who started his Marathon of Hope right here at the harbor of St. John's, that inspired millions of Canadians to support cancer research.
One of the things that makes Newfoundland so special is all the scenic fishing villages that are all around the province. There's many close to St. John's, including Petty Harbour, which is just 20 minutes away, and right here in Quidi Vidi, which is just a 5-minute drive from downtown St. John's. And while you're here, you can even stop at the Quidi Vidi Brewery and get their famous Iceberg beer. If you come to Newfoundland in the spring, during the months of May and June, you'll probably see some icebergs. We just found this one right offshore, but if you want to get up close to them, you can jump on a boat tour.
St. John's traffic, St. John's traffic. This is
Not only is this the best way to appreciate the size and color of the icebergs, but also to appreciate the rugged coastline that Newfoundland is known for, as well as the fauna that the Atlantic Ocean attracts, such as whales and Carla's favorite birds, the Atlantic puffins.
This is amazing!
Iceberg straight ahead!
A place you shouldn't miss, which is only 20 minutes drive from St. John's, is Cape Spear National Historic Site, the most easterly point of Canada. Can you see it? Neither do we! Well, just a little bit, and we can hear the waves.
And that's something Cape Spear is known for, as well as St. John's, is the fog. But you never know what you're going to get, because we were here once before and we had blue skies, practically no wind. You could see the water crashing into the shoreline and the lighthouse, and it really is a beautiful spot. Plus, you have to come here because then you can tell people you've been as far east as you can go in Canada. As the oldest English settlement in North America, as well as the capital of Newfoundland and Labrador, St. John's is full of history, which you can learn more about here at the Rooms, a beautiful structure with an extensive collection of artifacts, art, and archival records. The thing we love about Newfoundland the most is that it's still so wild, and food is such an important part of the culture here. We're here with Cod Sounds. They're going to bring us out foraging, basically take us back in time and show us all the unique things that are around here that you can eat. And then we're going to come back and have a big feast.
So fresh scallops. They look so pretty. I don't want to eat them, but they also look so good.
I am so happy I have witnessed this experience because I enjoyed it, every moment of it.
Well, we're getting ready to go into O'Reilly's to listen to some traditional Newfoundland music by the Irish descendants.
And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and visit mosucanada.com for more information about Newfoundland and across Canada.